Hi guys, it's been a while. How are you? I hope you are all fine. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to share to you my family trip to BALER, Philippines. Because last time I went home and I brought my family to the beach, BALER Beach. So here we are. While we are on the way, we decided to take a photo at the statue of the big cow. Everybody is so excited. And here comes Tommy. Tommy is having fun in playing with the sand to the extent that he doesn't want to move out from the beach. And you know guys, it's really important that sometimes we as family can go out together and have some fun in order to build more relationship. Because we are in this kind of world already, we cannot predict what will happen to everyone. So while you have time, gather as one family and enjoy. And here's my sister. Oh, by the way guys, BALER is one of the recommended beaches that you can visit when you go to the Philippines. It's in the north part of the Philippines. So I hope you enjoy watching my family outing. And of course, everybody don't want to miss to take photo with the background of the beach. And look, in the morning, the sunrise is coming up and it's so good. So we brought my uncle outside and had some feel of the sun. Because it's, according to him, it's his first time to see the sea. So I was so happy that he was able to join us. And with the view of the sunrise, it's so amazing. But sadly, after a year or two, my uncle passed away. But in my heart, I'm happy because I was able to have some time with him, even if it's short. This is what I mean guys with family bonding. If you have time, have bonding with your family before it's too late. And here are my little boys enjoying the sand. And here is Zaira, the photographer. And of course, everyone don't want to miss to have a photo with the sunrise background. So everybody is trying to pose. And here is Tommy and Ginay. Please enjoy guys watching my family trip. It's coffee time in the morning. And look what we have. We have sweet potato. And here is Uncle having his coffee. And after having breakfast, we went back again to the seaside. Here is Zedric. Sorry guys for those who don't have their faces here. Meaning to say you are far from the photographer. And here is Ginay playing with the sand. Really enjoyed. Me and Zaira. Me and Savvy. And Savvy with Grandma and Grandpa. So, thank you so much guys for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, and if you wanna give your comments, thank you so much. See you again in my upcoming videos.